All right, this is Miss Ashley, and I'm going to walk you through day one of the assisted packet. So if your student brought home this packet right here, this is what the day one worksheets look like, and I'm gonna model them for you and your student, and that way if you have any questions, this will show you exactly what to do. So here we go. So this is day one. This is our first paper, which is tracing the capital letters. So of course we know we need to put our name on our paper, either by ourselves or with our parents' help. Miss Ashley. All right, so it says trace the capital letters. So number one says, the bubbles float. So we're gonna trace that first letter, letter T, capital letter T. Number two, the teacher gave, that should say gave, I'm sorry, that's a spelling error. The teacher gave me a fist bump. Once again, we're gonna trace that capital T at the beginning. Number three, we get to use the iPad today. Trace that capital W. Number four, I like to listen to the music. Trace that capital I. And number five, the puzzle has 10 pieces. Tracing that capital T again. All right. That is it for that page. If you wanted to give your students some additional practice, you can always flip that paper over and you can write some letters on the back of your paper, and you can have your student trace or try to copy the letters. All right, and we've got the same thing for the second page. Doing some more tracing. All right, so we have our name. Here we go. Number one, all the pretzels are in the bowl. Tracing that capital A. Number two, Legos allow us to build things. Tracing that capital L. Number three, the goldfish taste yummy. Tracing the capital T. Number four, she let us choose the games. Tracing that capital S. And number five, the chips are salty. Tracing another capital T. We're getting a lot of practice with letter T here. All right, very nice. All right, and that's it for there. All right, page 3. We've got a color by code. This is. So you will need the crayons that came home for this activity, and I will show you exactly what to do. So the first one says we need the color red. All right, so it says letter E is going to be red. So we are coloring each letter according to the code. So E is red. Let me see if I can zoom in a little on this part for you guys. Okay, hopefully that's a little better. Okay, so E's are going to be red. So here's an E. Here's another E. Looks like that's it. So we will color those boxes red. All right. The next color we're going to need is yellow. Our letter I's are going to be yellow. So there's an I and there's an I. So we're going to color those boxes yellow. All right, next color I need is orange. Our letter N is going to be orange. Let's see, here's an N and here's an N. So we're going to color those boxes orange. Okay. Next, I need the color blue. Our letter P is going to be blue. Here is a P. And here is another P. All right, next we need green. And the letter U is going to be green. Here's one. Here's the other one. Okay. All right, and then we have one more letter. We need purple. And that is, of course, the letter X. X. All right, so the finished product should look something like this. And parents, if you're helping your child, if you want to go through each letter and read the letters to your student, maybe talk about what sounds they make. E says like elephant, X like X-ray, and so on and so forth. All right, and this is the last page for day 1. And we're going to do some counting. Let me put my name on it. All right. Try to zoom in a little bit again. Okay. All right. So first we're counting the chips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 sets of chips. So we are gonna, I see number 3, number 5, and number 6. So we're gonna circle that 6. All right, next we're counting the bubbles. 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking for the 4. Oh, we've got that funky 4. That's another way we can write 4. So we're gonna circle 4. I call it the funky 4. And we're gonna count the exercise balls. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 exercise balls. All right, next we have friend. 1. All right, next we have some Fruit Loops. 1, 2, 3. 3 sets of Fruit Loops. All right. We kind of put two for 1 here on this worksheet so we can get some extra practice. All right. Here we've got letters. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, we know it's going to be that funky 4 again. All right. Next we've got Legos. 1, 2, 3. Circle the 3. iPads. 1, 2. 2 iPads. All right, next we've got games. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 games. And last we have goldfish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 sets of goldfish. All right. Another fun thing to do after you do this would be maybe to go around your house and maybe have them count some sets of toys or some food. Maybe have some fruit snacks or cereal lying around your house. Practice some more counting to get some extra practice. So, all right, that is day 1 of the assisted packet. You will send that work back when we go back to school. If we do have another NTI day, you will do that day 2 of your packet, and I will post more videos with day 2 whenever that it happens for us. Otherwise, you can also go to Google Classroom if you have a device. Check your Tech Dojo for that information, and then it'll have links to boom cards and pink cat games for some extra practice.